Hi everybody, this is my video about what we are doing in the Siop program at the university. This is a brief about the last 5 weeks that we were talking about in this specific class. For a start, I want to introduce myself. I'm a professor at the marketing department at the university. I teach marketing, seminary of marketing, and what I'm doing in this class is trying to apply all the knowledge in a specific class. The name is branding. So I hope you can follow what we are doing in this program. For the very beginning, I want to express or try to tell you what is the Siop at the university. This is an approach focus in English teaching that involve language and content. The Siop model has 8 interrelated components that promotes critical thinking skills. These critical thinking skills are listening preparation, building background, comprehensible input, strategy, interaction, practicing, apply, lesson delivery, and review and assessment. The first thing that we learned in this course was to create smart goals. Smart goals are a kind of goals to help us to create a nice environment with the students to explain what we are expect for them in a specific task. Smarts mean specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. I create my smart goal and I got to tell you the first one was chose a small business and develop a branding plan to increase its brand's value with the author method to know the brand anatomy in this semester. This smart goal include all the things that you need to have for smart goals. The thing is to create understandings with the students to see where they're going with the new knowledge. So we try to do another smart goal with the understanding, and this was student will understand that some brands define their personality in accordance with the target that's make them more attractive to the consumers. In the same link from the branding process, we need to be focused in the brand, in the anatomy of the brand. This is understandings. For examples, we can develop like in the students will understand that essential question. A student will know that, or a student will be able to. In the first case, for example, students will understand that the brands or some brands define their personality in accordance with the target that makes them more attractive to consumers, or successful brands are able to understand their consumer like a friend who help them on a shopping experience. In the essential questions, for example, we can ask us ourselves, does the personality of a brand will make it more attractive to a particular market, or what branding tools are more efficient to ensure that the success of a particular brand? What is the future collaboration between the brands? In the other hand, students will know that to build awareness, recalls, and understanding, a brand needs to invest at least 18 months. Or to start to see results of communication efforts, a brand needs to invest 36 months. It's not something that doing very easy. And at the end, students will able to reading comprehensible skills practice to writing process like brainstorm, outline, draft, reviews, edit, and complete the test, and other things. Um, for help us, we can use the KWL model to help us to know what happened in the student's brain. It's an instructional technique for teaching and learning a practice subject. It can be used for personal or for a group instruction. It may be planned on three columns tables. One each column, we are supposed to answer the question. The first one, what the students know for previous courses or experience about the subject, what the students wants to know, and what they did learn after the implementation. This tool help us a lot because you have a graphic to where the student came, what they are learning now, and what they expect to do with this learning. The other activity that we learn is to use the GRASPS. It's an acronym for goal, role, audience, situation, product, process, purpose, standards, and criteria. This is a useful tool to set a context in order to build a performance task. Performance task needs to do it in three ways. Background from the past courses, other courses that a student take before, or course, and then what they got to do with this knowledge. But other input that we can take in our classes is background knowledge and experience, not only from the school, experiences from their own lives. And the last one is vocabulary or K vocabulary. In or a specific topic, we have a different vocabulary like strategy, reputation management, communication, image, positioning, freshness, vision, analyze, and thrust. It's very important for our students to know what is the vocabulary that they got to use in our case in the branding aspects or in the branding market. We try to apply the GRASPS in a specific activity. For example, our goal or what we describe is, for example, your task is to create an Excel spreadsheet survey by surveying the class as to which was their favorite brand. The role, you are a survey taker and you need to obtain your data by surveying your classmate on your specific brand. The audience, you are letting your classmate and school wishes brand can be sponsored in the next event into the university. The situation, the challenge involved getting data and then displaying the data in Excel uh, spreadsheet. This is the product could be to create a letter for the communication department, and then they can ask for some sponsors to use these brands in a specific event, like in the university of Feria Universitaria. And the standard is to create a good letter with good information to them, use it to get some incomes to the university. So that's where exactly we can do it, or at least what we are doing until now so far. But I know the application will be more interesting after we have the whole tools to develop the Siop. So that's what we are learning until to now. If you have some questions, please let me know. Thank you so much and have a great day.